fiery furnace now. The other option is toxic tower. That's a hard decision. I think I'm gonna go back and do it. I had the plane. Alright, back to Gloomy Gulch. Let's pay off Clubba so he doesn't beat us up for crossing his toll bridge. Test me hoard of gold here and I'll slice you in two. Pay up. Here you go, bub. 15 coins. Hold on, I like to buy the hint for this one first. Give up now before the kids realize you're not as popular as Donkey Kong was. Fiery furnace! The bananas point the way. His wife's come to visit any moment. We never see Wrinkly here, though. Alright. Hold on. Usually there's stuff up here. In this case, there are 30 bananas. Oh, pfft. These guys are out of their element. Uh-oh. Now this is the other kind of barrel.
Some patrol and some lockdown.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell which, because there's no visual indication. Anyway, the objective here is to pilot your barrels around and avoid getting pinned. Ow!
And keep your nerve, I guess.
Yeah, something like that. Bam! Ow! My finger twitched, I guess.
Better than the barrels in Donkey Kong Country Returns?
Oh, those barrels, oh god.
The rocket barrels?
Why, I think so.
Rocket barrels.
Rocket barrels. I'm gonna avoid this trucker.
Shoot.
What's that?
You could shoot yourself.
Yeah, that wouldn't work too good.
Sadly.
Like, he'd probably just sword me. And that would not be so good. Shoo. Avoid the zingers. Hold on. Whoa! Ah, truck!
You know what would be a funny special effect?
What?
If you edited out the word truck with the truck.
Probably. I know I can get one of those things too.
Honk.
Yeah.
Oh, honk.
There we go. Ah! What was that?
Apparently, if you hit them in the face, they bite you.
I guess so. Twin. I missed my jump. What? Yeah, I keep on failing. If I keep this up, I'm gonna have to start editing clips. That's no fun. Bonk! Okay, I did what you said and whacked him with my cannon. Get out of here, Clambox. Observe! No convection.
Yeah.
I just dipped into the lava.
This is a TNT back.
No, you did not. At least I'm pretty sure you did. I'm not willing to wager on it, okay? You might have seen a couple of these guys. Now, if you did see a TNT, I'd like to know, because I can like that stuff. Try nitrotoluene. What was that?
Fail! We need the fail horn.
I'm gonna play the fail horn if I die one more time, okay? Because I have a fail horn, you know. Whoa. Get out of here! Alright, so. You let me know when you see this TNT stuff, and I'm gonna go look for it. See?
There, see TNT.
What? Oh, snap! So
Yeah.
that's how we get those guys out the way.
Yeah.
I was thinking I'd have to make some crazy jumping. All I have to do is grab the trinitrotoluene.
I should have made a wager for that. I could have made some money on it.
You're already making money, and since you have the moral high ground, you're already making service off of me. So you don't need any more off me. Okay? Alright, I actually hit the flitter that time. There we go. Check. checkpoint, I mean. I don't know why he didn't try to hook me.
I guess even hookers have standards.
Ah. It's not funny. Donk!
Makes me
Well, you're not me.
mad.
Lol, 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 lol. 3, 2, 1. 1. 1. I would not recommend this at home, kids. Oh, snap, cat of nine tails.
Oh wow. Oh.
There we go. That's not fair. Just skip. It worked! Not a cat of nine tails. Uh-oh. No, 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 no! Don't kill Dixie! Oh, he's alive. I'm gonna wait till he stops spinning and step on him. There we go.
Oh.
Oh, that's right. You owe me, you know. Oh. And I will owe you. Okay. There we go. Oh, avoid the cat of nine tails. Avoid the cat of nine tails! Okay, stomp on him now. There's a barrel up here. The bananas point the way, indeed. Bonus time! You get 40 seconds to play this one as carefully as you can. Find the token. There's no timer on the barrel itself. Instead, you just have 40 seconds to complete the level and avoid touching either the thorns or the zingers. I'm pretty sure they give you enough time. The TASers actually avoid the thorns and stuff entirely by going around. By going underneath the level just barely so they can avoid both the thorns and the hazards from going underneath the level. Get out of the way.
Shut me fun.
Yeah. This is hard enough already with you guys polluting the road. Hello. Ah! Darn it!
Wow.
Darn it times 2! I wasn't trying to complete the level. I got one try? That's harsh. I'm gonna have to play it again. Stick my tongue out at you. Lol, 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 lol.
Yeah.
One try. That's not fair. Does that mean I have to play the fail horn now?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Combo.
Yeah, I think so. It's a 4 times combo. No convection. I can dip down neck first. Ooh. TNT. Kablamo! Try Nitro Toluene. That stuff works. Ah! I just fell out of the barrel somehow. Maybe it was a down shooting barrel and I messed up. Let me know if I annoy you. Like, to the point. Oh. What was that? I got pwned in the middle of a team throw, okay? That was basically me hitting the reset button. There's not going to be too much commentary on this part, because it's basically me completing a level that I've already completed for the sake of... Oh, TNT bonus! Try not to Toluene! Yeah, it is a down-facing barrel, and I thought it was an up-facing barrel. Screw the O, we don't need it. Pump. Ouch. Checkpoint. Get out of here. Ah, snap. Ouch. After I clear Fiery Furnace with the DK coin, I'm going to be switching off the day. That one has standards. So here's a question for you, brother. Ow. That's not the question, by the way. The question is, when I next continue this game, do you want to be in the room or even at home for it, or would you mind it? Would you mind over terribly if I like finished it while you were at work?
I wouldn't be that. I wouldn't be that.
Okay, just wondering, because I might potentially do that. Tomorrow morning. I hate these guys. Ouch! Ah, what was that? His swords were well stuck into the ground. I got poisoned. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. One. Ah! One frame off. Oh. Well, at least I'm getting a lot of coins. There we go. I jumped into lava. What are you laughing at? Not me, of course.
Not you.
There we go. Get out of here. There we go. Yay, extra life. I'm mad! When I'm mad, the only thing that calms me down is the game. But you guys all lost. And anyone who posts that they lost it causes me to win. Because that's the way I play. Bam! Ah, shucks. Throw me up in the middle. Ah, I got in the barrel. Phew! Thank you, Mr. Ninetails. Alright. Now it's time to find the token! Don't actually know how long this course is. Just that it's really long. In 40 seconds, it's almost not done. Ooh, it's almost there. It's almost there. One more zinger. One more zinger. Yeah, I got it. Whew. 4 DK coins left, actually. Along with 4 crown coins. I got a mana coin. Winner! Now it's time to go save. Return to Gloomy Gulch. Let me go hitch a ride from Funky's Flights 2 so I can go save at that other place. Karul's Keep, that's the one. Because I'm not playing Toxic Tower right now, if you'll forgive me. Hurry along, school is nearly finished. You need to study a little bit more if you're going to beat the Gremlings. Okay, I'll do that in a minute. You have a good day, everybody.